everyone, welcome to Beauty Attraction. Today I am going to tell you how to stay hydrated in summer. Let's get started. The intensity of the summer and the long hours of the day can be draining, and the body has its ways of letting you know when it's in need of water. Lethargy starts to set in, energy levels deplete, and lips and the tongue start to feel excessively and annoyingly dry. Chugging glass after glass of water may not be the most practical thing to do, but there are ways by which you can hydrate without having to consume water and choosing foods with substantial water content. Eat watermelons. A watermelon is made up of 92% water and 8% fruit. The fluids that are found in the watermelon include salt, calcium, and magnesium. This is everything your body needs all day. To add a twist, serve with a lemon juice dressing and feta cheese. Drink milk. This rehydrator is actually a great substitute for water. Have a bowl of cereal with some milk. Whip up a smoothie. Pick some fruit with high water content such as oranges, watermelon, apples, pineapples, and peaches, and make a smoothie. Instead of adding yogurt or milk, try adding water and some ice instead. Sip on some tea. It's a no-brainer. Tea is 100% water, but flavored with herbs. Try not to add sugar, so you can enjoy the benefits. Herbal teas are best. Say no to salty treats. A diet based around processed, salty foods can really dehydrate your body, which your body doesn't need. Our bodies usually only need a small daily dose of salt, which we can get naturally from vegetables and some fruits. So try and skip the fried foods and the cheat meal, which, let's be honest, you have every day, and make better choices. Instead, have some coconut water, apple slices, or some baby carrots. Get your greens. Although it is nutritionally quite ineffective, the iceberg lettuce contains 96% water and is a great addition to any salad if you want to rehydrate. So, if you are not a soup person, make a tasty salad instead. Add some cucumbers and tomatoes to really boost water levels. Moisturize. Yes, you heard that right. Make sure you moisturize your skin to keep it looking fresh and hydrated in the morning. The best time to do this would be right after stepping out of your morning shower and then once again before going to sleep. If you have to be outside, sunscreen is essential to keep the moisture locked in. Wash your face twice a day, and no more. Overwashing your face can lead to drying your skin out and not the other way around, which is a rather common misconception. Washing your face does not essentially hydrate the skin, but it can result in stripping your skin of essential oils and can further dehydrate your skin. Remember to moisturize after you wash your face though. Have soups. Soup is an essential starter at any table. If you have the option, choose a clear soup rather than a creamy one, and start your meal with a nice hot bowl. It's a great way to boost your water intake and energy levels and will keep your body full of water. Thank you for watching Beauty Attraction. Do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.